There's no rain in Spain, no rain. Not even in the plain, not a single drop of rain in Spain, still waiting for the rain. Waiting for in vain. But who is to blame? For 2 long years now, the fields run dry, the weeds not growing high beneath the blue sky. For 2 long years now, the rivers run dry, the lakes run dry under the blue, blue sky of Catalonia. There's no rain in Spain, no rain. Not even in the plain, not a single drop of rain in Spain, still waiting for the rain. But who is to blame? For 2 long years now, the farmers are yearning, the grass is burning, the hunger of the beeves is burning under the blue, blue sky of Catalonia. There's no rain in Spain, no rain, not even in the plain. Not a single drop of rain, not even in the plain. Not a single drop of rain in Spain, still waiting for the rain. Waiting in vain, but who to blame? Are we to blame? Are we to blame?